Good afternoon from Mirador San Jose, Ecuador. And I'm standing here live on location at Casablanca. And I promised you folks yesterday on the Facebook fan page that I would bring you something called Hillbilly Garden. And I'm thinking that if you folks like this sort of thing, it's going to be about tropical gardening here. And I'm thinking that if it's popular and we receive a lot of likes on this video, that's going to tell us that you want to see more of this kind of thing. And we can go into depth on some of the things that we planted here and that has been planted throughout the community, and what kind of success we've had with it, and how to grow it. All kinds of useful information about tropical gardening. Let's start off by having a little tour of Hillbilly Garden. And I'm not going to go in too much depth on the different types of plants that we have planted here at this time. We're going to leave that for future episodes, and we'll go into depth on what the plant is, what our experience has been with the plant, how well it grows, and all kinds of useful information that everyone here will be curious about. To the right here we have the papaya tree, and it's probably about 8 or 9 feet tall, and this is the first year of its life, and it's producing its first batch of papayas. And this papaya tree is not quite a year old yet, and we've had relatively good success as of the last 2 years growing papayas here. The soil conditions here have been improved, so it's helped quite a bit with this. And the only problem I'm encountering right now with the papayas and some of the other trees and flowers is we're getting a scaly white bug, and a creamy looking bug that's starting to attack these leaves. And these leaves are not small by any means, and they'll eat the leaf right off, and it's putting the plant under a lot of stress. And here we have an example of one of those scaly bugs, and I've been trying insecticides and some natural methods as well, and it's been a challenge to get these bugs under control. So we're not exactly sure on what to do about it. We're still researching that and looking for a solution. The locals just spray it continuously once a week, but this doesn't appear to be working for my trees anyway. So we'll find a solution to that, and I'm just happy at the moment that they're producing papayas. So once these papayas grow a little more, they will start to ripen on the tree, and they'll start turning a light orange color or a red. Once they show some signs of ripening, I'll pull it off the tree, and the papaya will ripen within 3 to 5 days, just sitting on your counter. Then it'll be ready to eat. You could also leave the papaya right on the tree for it to ripen fully on the tree. But my experience has told me that doing that, that also brings the birds and different kind of bugs that like to eat that ripe fruit. So you're better off picking it off just before it's at optimum ripeness. We hope you like this episode of Hillbilly Garden at Casablanca in Mirador San Jose, Ecuador. Don't forget to like the video, and please write any comments or suggestions you might have. And we're going to be happy to bring this series regularly to our website and the Facebook fan page. Visit more information on the community of Mirador San Jose on the website at miradorsanjose.com.